Hi, welcome back to our channel. Let's cook with Izzy. I'm Dave.
I'm Izzy.
And last week we made pizzas. This week we're going to make
green eggs and ham.
Yes, we are. So, since there aren't really green eggs, we're going to put green things in them. We've got an onion, peppers, chives, microgreens, parsley, spinach, and then for the ham we have ham and bacon.
And eggs.
And eggs, that's right. And we're going to cook them frittata style in the oven.
All in the mixer.
So, what's the first thing we need to do?
Wash your hands.
Wash our hands. So, we're going to start with some chives. And here's a bowl for you. And no, put that up here. That's a good job. And we like chives in here.
Because I have some. Yeah.
And here's a knife. Be very careful. And what I want you to do is just make little teeny cuts like this. Okay? Can you do that? Just like that. Push down hard. Very good. And while she's doing that, I'm going to get our pepper ready. The easiest way is to cut off the top, cut off the bottom. You're going to slit it down the side. And just fillet it down.
Well, some fell.
That's okay. Just cut them all up nice and little like that. Once you have the fillet done of the pepper, you can cut it into strips.
Oh, nice, Chef Dad.
Yeah. And then a little dice.
Yeah.
I will take a bowl. You're doing a good job there.
Thank you, Chef Dad.
Pizza now?
No thanks.
No?
Well, it's kind of hard to cut.
Yeah.
Really hard.
Okay, so peppers are done. We're also going to use a Vidalia onion. You
Dad?
don't need this whole onion.
Dad?
Yes.
We're going to way ahead.
No, that's okay. Because I'm getting the big stuff that needs an adult to cut. I was saying we're not going to use the whole onion. So just take half of it, peel it, and then the easiest way to dice it, make slits down the top of it like this. And then just dice across, and you get nice little dices. When you get to this side,
And sometimes kids get like way ahead about it because grown-ups are more fast.
yes, we are.
Dad? Am I going crazy? Like this.
No, you're not crazy.
Get yours.
Nope. Careful with the knife. All right. How you doing there?
Good. Can you? I want you to do the rest because it's kind of hard.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Here, you can do this one. There's another bowl for you. These are our microgreens. And they're going to provide a little bit of a peppery taste to the eggs. Can you take and cut it right there? Good job. Now just pick them all up and put them in there. Need that piece. Okay. And then we have some nice parsley. Okay, Daddy will do some of this one. Okay.
Thank you, Chef Dad, for helping me. So these are
Yep. And this one we're just going to put in the same bowl as the chives.
yeah, because we don't have any more.
Okay. Now, let's cut some ham.
Dad, can I cut the ham?
Yes, you may.
Uh-oh. The ducks are just stuck in.
Okay, I'm going to cut it into long strips for you. And then you can cut little squares.
Like this?
Yep, turn the knife over. There you go. Just like that. Push hard. Good
Okay.
job. Now move it down, get another little square. Yep, just like that. And you just create another little dice with your ham. Keep going. Need some help?
No thanks. Actually, yeah.
We just want everything about the same size that we're going to be cooking in a little bit. Alright, that's all set. And the last thing is we're going to use some spinach.
Yes, we are. And this is okay for a knife is like dirty, right?
Yep, just set it on your cutting board. And this is going to melt or wilt down as soon as we put heat on it, so we're not going to dice that up too much. And we're all set. So now
We are gonna put the eggs in it.
yes, that's what we're going to do next.
And can I grab them?
Yes, you may. Oh, crack it on here. And then in there. Okay, good. You cracked it right here, so put your thumb right there, see? And it comes right apart. So now you try it. Put your thumb in the hole.
Where's it?
Right here. You just cracked it. Yeah, it's right there, but you need to crack it on the side. Okay, there's no way. Did you crack it on the side? There you go. That's okay, we'll get shells out. Okay. Get that. One more. Okay. Don't have to push quite as hard. Okay. Are there any shells in there?
Can I wear my hands first?
Okay, let me get a rag. Okay. use a whisk and whisk that all up nice. Okay, want me to start it for you?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And can I do
So
the rest of that?
you just kind of squish the egg yolk and then you beat it like this.
And then what next to it?
Yep. What?
Okay.
Because this is going to go in the oven, we're going to add just a little bit of milk. Okay, whisk that up again.
I can see milk.
Okay, good. Okay,
What should we do first?
first we are going to get,
Do you do that?
yep, just 1 second.
Oh, are we gonna use this?
That's,
This?
and this one. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put in just a little bit of oil. You don't have to use much. We're using olive oil for this. Let our pan get hot. Okay, go ahead and dump that in. There we go. We have a nice sizzle, so that means it's cooking. You want to stir those around a little bit. Good job. Now you can dump this one in.
Because give a pretty leg over here.
Go. All set. Ready? Stir that in. Get the middle. There you go. Now get it off the sides. Looks good. So watch. Go around. And just move it around a little bit. Yep, that's right. And these don't have to be cooked overly so because it's going to go in the oven at 350 degrees in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt because it will help bring out the flavor. And I am using pink Himalayan salt or I use kosher salt.
Let's do them next.
Okay, well we have to cook these a little bit more. Okay. Get it nice and mixed up. Just 1 second. And for ease today, what we used is a crumbled bacon. It's 100% natural bacon. It's just cooked and already crumbled for you. Because at the last minute I discovered I had forgotten bacon. But we had some of the bacon crumble around, so that will work. Okay, ready? Now let's add our ham.
Can I put some on there?
And now,
I'm gonna mix them up. Mix them up, Dad.
in just a second.
Here it goes.
Yep. Very carefully.
Here goes the cow.
Okay, oops. Very carefully. All over. Okay.
Like it.
Okay, now what we have to do,
And put
just
them.
mix it all around, make sure it's well cooked. We can turn the heat off of that now because it's going to go in the oven. We'll dump that in. Just kind of all over. Okay. And then spread it all over. Yep. It kind of comes across, so we can just spread it all over. And then the same with our
I was gonna do that.
okay, put some. Good job. So, that's all set. Now we can put it in the oven. Put it down and open the oven for me. ready.
Yep. Can we shut this?
Shut that. Good job. We're going to see if this works. For the most part, got a little stickage here, but you know what? That's okay.
So, wait, is next we're gonna have
So since this is, take a piece out here. And here is our green eggs and ham. Here's a fork for you. Try it?
Yep.
It's pretty hot.
Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna eat it right now because it's hot.
Just try a little piece. That's really good.
Is that hot to you?
Remember this one we used chives and some microgreens, a little bit of spinach, and some parsley, black forest ham, bacon, and onion and pepper.
And eggs.
And eggs. And to make frittata, you can use just about anything that you want.
It looks really good.
So thanks for joining us today while we made our version of green eggs and ham. And what do you think we should make next time?
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese. That sounds pretty good. But not from the box, right?
Yeah,
Not from the box. Oh, and if any of you are wondering, because I didn't have an apron last time, Izzy thought it would be good if I wore my chef coat and my chef pants. So, join us next time. We'll make some macaroni and cheese, and like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Bye.